problem. You have an index of names, coded in an InDesign document. The problem is that InDesign sorts strictly letter by letter, which means that it ignores commas and spaces, and that leads to strange results. So, for example, here the name Li, L-I, is here and here and there, oh no, here and there. What you want really is for InDesign to sort it word by word, so that the Li's sort together in their correct place. You can do that with a very simple script. It's really very simple. It's only 4 lines. Here I'll run this script, and you see here now that the Li's are together, followed by Li Bassi, and then Liebers, Lim. So now it's sorted word by word. And if I now update the index, you can see that it's sorted correctly. This is fine, but some people might want, for example, this Li Mora to be sorted after Li Bassi. Well, that's with 1 additional line to the script can be done like this. So Li Mora is now after Li Bassi. There you go. And so this is fairly easily scriptable. If you can follow the links in the comments for a full explanation.